How to access business credit card transactions in Regions Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to review your business card charges, well here is how to access business credit card transaction in Regions Online Banking. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your credential and once logged in, you simply have to go to your business dashboard. And there, you just have to click accounts and select the business credit card account you want to review. And after that, you have to open transactions or activity to see a list of recent charges, payments, and pending items. And there you can use the filters to narrow by date range, transactions type, or merchant to find specific entries quickly. And there you can also click any transaction to view details like merchant name, date, amount, and any attached memos or invoice references. And that's it. That's how you can access business credit card transactions in Regions Online Banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.